In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill out USPS Priority Mail Express label. So here you can see an example of the label. And in this section, we're going to start with the to section. So here, all you have to do is write the recipient's full name, street address, city, state, and zip code. Double check the zip because it's important for fast delivery. Also, enter in their phone number. Next is we're going to proceed with from. In the from section, fill out with your name and return address. USPS requires this in case the package can't be delivered. Also, add in your phone number in this section. Next is enter in the package weight and dimensions if required. But if you're using a flat rate express envelope, you can skip this part. Select any extras you need so you can fill it out in this delivery options section. Click the box beside the extras that you need, like signature, required insurance, or guaranteed delivery options. These checkboxes are usually on the right side of your label. And when you're done, take the package to the USPS counter. They'll weigh, verify, and print the final barcode or accept your pre printed label. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!